I need to catch my breath before doing this intro. Today we have travelled to Ang Thong Marine Park.
So today on Lazy Travels we have commandeered a ship and we are going to the marine park.
Commandeered a ship? This is the same boat we went on when we went to Pig Island. We did just have some food and now we're going to go, once we get there we're going to stop off and do some kayaking.
There's Carla and Rick. Oh, that just shat on my leg. Yeah.
There we go, we're going to go in this cave now. This place is quality. I want to look in here. This place is amazing. There you go, we made it. Crawling through.
So the water comes up to here.
Oh, it sometimes comes up to there.
Yeah.
You're head height. It is like glass.
Yeah.
See you back here.
This is lava.
Water comes, doesn't
Mimetic.
right?
So then you get.
Kayak life is easy. Sit back and relax. So peaceful. Now we got to sail back to our boat. Kayak back to our boat.
Oh yeah, we've got stuff on that.
We made it back. We can't say that for the rest though. They're all still all the way back over there. Be a perfect time to show you around the boat. We have this whole upstairs bit for lounging. At the front here there's more seating area and a little jacuzzi tub at the front. Downstairs they have got a kitchen where they make all the food and obviously toilets and stuff. So I think now we're back, we're gonna head for some snorkeling and then onto the Ang Thong Island.
Oh God.
Now we're ready for some snorkeling. In we go. Last time we went we couldn't see anything. This time we had at least, he was saying 8 meters visibility. So we got to see a lot more. Cheetah! As we was getting off, I think we see the food being dished up. I think it's time for some lunch. Just finished lunch. It was amazing. I said it last time we come on this boat. It's probably my favourite Thai food that I've had since being here. We're now off back to Ang Thong to actually get off and have a walk around the island. They say this rock looks like a monkey praying.
Can you guys see it?
Just wanted to quickly say, if you want to do this tour, we'd highly recommend it. This is the second time we've been on this boat with the same crew, and it's amazing every time. The food's amazing, especially coming to see the Ang Thong Marine Park. They have another trip to Pig Island, so you can choose which one. But yeah, I'll leave a link to their website in the description. Well, this is a funny little pier. And welcome to Ang Thong. So we were told this is meant to be the opening scene to the beach, filmed with Leonardo DiCaprio in it. Oh, the view gets slightly better each level. Still more to go, babe. Sure, they just get steeper. That's a ladder. We're almost there. Oh, this one gets even better. Wow. Unfortunately, they allow no drone flying here, so nice aerial shots out the window. Gonna do an 80-meter walk down to the lagoon. Not sure if we can swim in it, but we'll try.
They just need one long sliding banner.
Yeah, they need a water.
What, you want to just slide the whole way down? Just remember, we've got to do this all the way back as well. Great, we've walked all the way down here. I don't even think you can swim in it. That's the only thing keeping me going. But we're down here now, may as well have a look.
Be careful your head.
Good idea.
Yeah, easy for you.
Easy for you to say. There we go. That is a lot better.
Oh.
I'll take any shortcut if it means I don't have to keep going up them stairs. More gaps.
Again, easy. Like
Yeah.
Whoa. So much easier. We just cut going all the way up there and back down again. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a like, comment and subscribe if you aren't already. And we'll see you in the next one.